Hello everyone, welcome back to the Reclaimed Ranch. Today I have 3 different projects. They're all thrifted items for Christmas and we're going to upcycle them. These are pretty easy projects to do. So I have here this ceramic nativity set. I bought it for I believe $7.99 and I'm not a fan of the colors, but we're going to go ahead and take the Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. Well, it used to be from Walmart, and it's in the color Mineral, and this makes a beautiful stone-like color. So we're going to take 2 full coats to each piece, let it dry in between, and then I'm going to use the DIY wax in the color White, and I'm going to rub it all over each piece, get it into all the little crevices, and then take a shop towel and rub it off. And that's going to leave all of the distressed pieces in the white where I want it, and it makes it look more like a stone piece. You'll see here, I'm going to bring this little baby Jesus up to the camera here, and you can see how it just kind of sits in all those little crevices, makes it look like it's a piece of stone. So I'm going to do this to each piece, and I'll let you listen to some music while we finish those. So this next project, we're going to go in with the Fusion in the color Parchment. It's a white, but it's not a really bright white. I have this ceramic piece here that is the Last Supper, and I'm not a fan of the colors again. Looks just kind of really dingy and dirty, so I'm going to brighten this up with the white, and then I'm going to go back in and place some antiquing wax in, so that all of those beautiful details can pop back out. So I did 2 coats of the Parchment White, dried in between, and then the antiquing wax I got at Walmart. I believe their brand is Hello Hobby. Yep. And so at first it looks a little scary. You just got to trust the process. So you just spread it out all over. And then I took my shop towel and was rubbing it back and was like, okay, that's not enough. So then I took a baby wipe, and that's when I started seeing the magic happen. So that was the color I was going for. I kind of wanted the white to come through more than other spots, just so you have some depth and dimension. And I didn't want the brown to be super saturated. So you keep working at it until you like it, and then let it dry. And you'll have a really nice piece that you can use pretty much year round if you want. Then this third and last project, I got this little deer here. It's a ceramic deer from a flea market, and we're going to use some salt wash in with some Fusion paint, the Parchment color again. I wanted a textured paint, and the reason is this guy's antlers, it looked like had been glued back on at some point, and so I added more glue to it just to make sure that it was going to stay where they needed to be. And then I went ahead and just painted the first coat on just real quick. I wasn't worried about brush strokes or anything. After that dried, I came back in with a Stolmeister natural bristle brush, and I used a stippling motion to put on the second coat, and that gave the deer some dimension, some texture, and it covered any of the brush strokes. So I think it turned out beautiful. And I love the natural colors of just the whites, the browns, the blacks, just those neutral colors, because you can use them throughout the entire winter season. And so after I did the white, I went ahead in with my Fusion mineral paint in chocolate. You can see there the texture when I'm stippling. Makes it so much nicer. I did use the chocolate to cover the antlers again. They were brown, but they were kind of chippy, and so I just cleaned them up with a new fresh coat of paint. And I know this is a really quick video, but I wanted to show you guys that just even a fresh coat of paint on something that looks old and worn and tired can really make a big difference. My favorite is this Nativity set. It just is absolutely gorgeous to me now. Whereas before it looked like it came out from the 80s or something. But this I can definitely use, you know, in my Christmas decor. And I just love how versatile it can be in any home. So let me know what your guys' favorite project was for today. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you are able to spend it with your family and friends. And I'm hoping to get a video out on Friday, a Furniture Flip Friday video. If not, I will definitely be back on Tuesday. So again, have a wonderful week, and we will see you soon. Bye.